done something on we have done introduction to electrical systems. So for this weekend, we will continue with the introduction to solar system. There was a need for us to do introduction to electrical system prior to this course. It is a prerequisite to this particular topic, so that some of the terminologies that we'll be introducing here will not be entirely new to you. So that was why, and we have done that electrical to a point that it is now convenient and fit for this one to come in. So there are a few things we'll be learning today from our course outline. We'll be going into, first we'll be doing an overview of solar system. That's one. Then after that, we'll be looking at the importance of solar system. After that, we'll also delve properly to gain proper understanding of solar system. From there, we'll be looking at PVCs. Okay, let me write it in full. Photovoltaic cells. That's what we call solar panels. The actual name is photovoltaic cells, but we call it solar panel, PVCs. Okay, we'll be looking at PVCs. We also look at inverters. Maybe we'll terminate with charge controllers for today. Charge controllers. Those are the things we'll be looking at for today. If you look at the material that was sent to you, material on this has been shared already, so we'll not be having everything on the board, except for when needed we'll put one or two things on the board if the need arises. So going over to chapter 1 of our study, there is something we put up there that I will read out and then do a quick explanation on. We are trying to say that solar system, based on the way the world is going, how the world is trying to manage greenhouse effect, carbon emission, reduction in carbon emission, depletion of the ozone layer, and all of those things. People are now moving to cleaner sources of energy, source of energy that will not be hazardous to our society and environment. So they are shifting from fossil fuel, what we call fossil fuel, such as